Hello mga beshies! Another coffee shop and coffee is life tayo for today's video. Are you living here in Milan or baka naman you're planning to visit here in Milan and wanna try the coffee and pastries of Starbucks? Naku! This is your sign to visit this one. Starbucks Via Torino number 21, of course, here in Milano, opened last September 2022 as the 8 Milanese location. It is about 60 square meters, take-away focus store in the heart of the city's shopping district. It features 7 seats, standing spaces, and design elements is inspired by the Piazza Cordusio Reserve Roastery. Generally, open Monday to Friday at 7:30 a.m. until 7:30 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday naman 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So yan lang mga beshies. Thank you for watching. Follow and subscribe for more. Ciao, ciao!